If you want an SUV that you can buy once and drive for years without worrying about big repair bills, then this video is for you. Today, we are looking at 9 SUVs that have earned a reputation for lasting a long time, needing fewer repairs, and giving their owners peace of mind. These are the SUVs that drivers trust. They are the ones that keep running smoothly year after year. And if you choose one of them, you may end up saving thousands of dollars in the long run. Before we begin, remember that reliability is not just about the engine. It is also about the transmission, the electronics, the suspension, and even the interior parts that people forget about. A reliable SUV is one that does all of those things well. Now, let's get started with the first model. The first SUV on our list is the Toyota Highlander. This SUV has been known for years as one of the most dependable family vehicles you can buy. It has a smooth and steady engine, strong build quality, and a reputation for driving well even after the odometer passes 200,000 miles. Many owners say the Highlander feels almost the same after years of driving as it did on the first day they bought it. The cabin is simple and easy to use. The seats are comfortable for long trips. And the maintenance costs stay low because the parts are easy to find and affordable. If you want an SUV that gives you confidence every time you turn the key, the Highlander is one of the safest choices on the market. Next is the Honda Pilot. The Pilot is known for its smooth V6 engine and very stable driving experience. Owners love that it rarely has major mechanical issues. The transmission lasts a long time, the engine handles high mileage without trouble, and the car keeps a solid resale value. Even after many years, you can still sell it for a good price. Families enjoy the extra space inside the Pilot, and the interior materials tend to hold up well over time. Many drivers say the Pilot is the most stress-free SUV they have owned. It is not flashy, but it is extremely dependable. If you want something sturdy and reliable, the Pilot is an easy recommendation. The third SUV on our list is the Toyota 4Runner. This SUV is legendary for reliability. It has a strong and simple engine that has been trusted for many years. It uses a design that focuses on durability more than modern complexity. It is also one of the best off-road SUVs you can buy. The body is tough, the suspension is strong, and the drivetrain is built to handle harsh conditions. Many owners drive their 4Runners for well over 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The inside of the 4Runner is not the most modern, but that is part of its charm. It is built to last. If you want something that feels almost indestructible, the 4Runner is the perfect pick. Now let's move on to the Subaru Forester. The Forester is different because it focuses on safety and practicality, but it is also one of the most reliable SUVs Subaru has ever made. The all-wheel drive system is standard and very dependable. The engine is designed to handle long distances without overheating. The interior is simple and does not rely on complex electronics that easily break. Many drivers choose the Forester because it performs well in harsh weather and needs less maintenance than other SUVs in the same price range. It is especially popular in states with snow and rough terrain. If you want a reliable SUV that works well all year round, the Forester is a great option. Next up is the Lexus RX. This SUV is special because it gives you luxury without sacrificing reliability. Lexus is known for building some of the longest-lasting engines in the industry, and the RX is one of their best examples. The driving experience is smooth, the interior is quiet and comfortable, and the maintenance costs are surprisingly low for a luxury brand. Many owners say their RX drives like new even after passing 200,000 miles. It is one of the few luxury SUVs that does not suffer from complicated electronics or expensive repairs. If you want both comfort and long-term durability, the Lexus RX stands out from the rest. Now, let's talk about the Toyota RAV4. This SUV is everywhere for a reason. It is extremely dependable, fuel-efficient, and simple to maintain. The engine is known for lasting a very long time. The transmission rarely has issues, and the interior continues to feel solid even after years of daily driving. Many RAV4 owners say their SUV has never left them stranded and has never needed major repairs. It is also one of the best SUVs for resale value, which means you get more money back if you decide to sell it later. The RAV4 is a perfect choice if you want something easy to own and inexpensive to maintain. The next SUV on our list is the Honda CR-V. This model has been one of the most sold SUVs in the United States for many years. It is known for having an engine that lasts a very long time and a transmission that stays smooth even at high mileage. The interior is practical and roomy. The driving experience feels light and comfortable. And the maintenance costs remain low because Honda parts are affordable and easy to replace. Many drivers say their CR-V feels like it will run forever. It is an excellent choice if you want a reliable compact SUV that still feels premium and refined. Next, we take a look at the Mazda CX-5. Mazda has a strong reputation for building vehicles that are fun to drive while still being reliable. The CX-5 is one of their best models. It has a solid engine, a smooth transmission, and a very high-quality interior for the price. The steering feels responsive, and the suspension makes the ride comfortable without feeling too soft. Most importantly, it does not break down easily. The electronics inside are simple and dependable, the mechanical parts hold up well over time, and the maintenance costs are low. Many owners say the CX-5 feels like a luxury SUV, but without the expensive repair bills. If you want something stylish and reliable, the CX-5 is an excellent choice. The last SUV on our list is the Toyota Land Cruiser. This is one of the most durable SUVs ever made. It is known worldwide for lasting more than 300,000 miles, and in some cases even more. The Land Cruiser has a strong engine, a heavy-duty transmission, and suspension components built for extreme conditions. That is why many of them are used in deserts, mountains, and remote areas. The interior is simple but very high quality. Owners say that even after years of heavy use, the Land Cruiser keeps driving like nothing happened. It is not cheap, but it is one of the longest-lasting SUVs ever created. If you want the strongest and most dependable SUV you can possibly buy, the Land Cruiser is one of the best options on the planet. Now that we have gone through all 9 SUVs, let's summarize what makes them special. These models were selected because they have strong engines, simple and durable parts, proven long-term reliability, and satisfied owners who report fewer problems than the average SUV. Buying a reliable SUV is not just about getting from point A to point B. It is about reducing stress, saving money, and having confidence that your vehicle will keep going year after year. If you are thinking about buying an SUV that will last, these 9 models are some of the safest choices you can make. They offer peace of mind, value, and long-term dependability. Let me know in the comments which of these SUVs you trust the most, or which one you would like to own next. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more reliable car recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.